Hello, I'm Michael of M.O.D's Catering Services. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do this short tutorial on how we stenciled our beautiful wedding cake last weekend. It's a 5-tier wedding cake, so I used the color brown, a lighter shade of brown, to achieve this beautiful nude color. So we have our beautiful harvest stencil leaning against our cake. We have to make sure there is no air trapped in there or the stencil isn't loose. This is a simple way to stencil your cake without anyone around you. So we need 4. You can use skewer, you can use toothpick, or you can even use paint. So we just push the pinch through the stencil to touch the cake or whatever you are stenciling, and make sure it's secured. When you're done, you take a partial amount of royal icing and you apply onto your stencil. That's when you end up leaving the print onto your cake. You don't need to put much onto your stencil. You just need a partial amount of royal icing. You don't need a whole lot, because if you use a lot you have to scrape. I don't scrape because I use a partial amount. So watch how I do the second one. I just take a bit of the royal icing, apply onto the stencil. When I'm done, I just scrape the excess with my palette knife. So I scrape onto the side where it doesn't have any place stenciled. So in doing so, we extend the remaining pieces, or let's say the remaining royal icing left on our stencil, onto the next space which is free or doesn't have any royal icing at all. When we are done, we just gently take out the pins or toothpick. Then we just bring out our stencil, leaving us with this beautiful stenciled cake. So as you can see, I just started from wherever it ended, and here we have our 5-tier cake looking all pretty in sugar flowers and in nude color. Thanks once again for joining. I'm Michael.